Our fellows really come from diverse perspectives, and I would say that fellows who are solely focused on research and those who are solely focused on clinical practice thrive equally well. We have room for a variety of perspectives and desires. So one of the things that makes us unique is the ability for the fellow to actually determine his or her career path.
I'm interested in transplant ID, and I'm also interested in antimicrobial stewardship. And when I first started, I wasn't sure how to combine both interests, but I think with the help of my mentorship committee, I was able to envision a career in transplant stewardship. I got involved in a few projects in the hospital and in the department. So currently my main research focus is C. diff in patients with immunocompromising conditions and transplant recipients.
Transplant infectious disease is my clinical and research interest. So I'm actually going to be staying on here doing research having to do with solid organ transplant patients. I really like the patient population, and I really like the idea that they can do very well. They sort of go through a hairy phase where they're very immunosuppressed and really vulnerable to these infections, and then a lot of them will sort of, after that really intense phase, even out and do very well for many years.
We do have an active and growing clinical research program here at Tufts, and the areas are very varied. I would say over the last couple of years, one thing that has grown is clinical trials. What's great about the trials is, besides helping people and trying to advance knowledge, we can involve the fellows as well as staff. And these trials have been interesting. They've been a lot of work, but they have really helped us understand how to conduct clinical trials, become more experienced in them, and offer that opportunity to our trainees.
We're looking for fellows here at Tufts Medical Center who have the intellectual curiosity to see a wide variety of patients on a daily basis, to develop their own research projects and quality improvement projects, and take these all the way to fruition.